Okay, Jager's ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, countdown, and go for it.
Help them, girls. Help them, girls.
Jager, all that practice on the other one. Come on, man.
There's nothing to like here.
Yay!
Jake, how old are you? How old are you, Jake?
Jake is now 6. Once he blows out the candles, he's 6.
How old are you?
Chocolate chip cookies.
Daddy's asking you how old you are.
Oh, he's too cool for the video, huh? And what presents, Jake? What are your presents? Jake, what are your presents, buddy? Jake, what are your presents? What are your presents you got?
My brother.
Rocket.
Uncle KB.
What else? What else? And
You know how we always carry on with the peeps.
Vicky.
It's so good. There's no nonsense. Basketball.
That's for what?
Uncle KB and I were little.
The basketball court.
Okay, and then what was the last thing that we got yesterday?
Ripped all the heads off
What
the
is
peeps.
it? Dog.
What kind of dog?
Now we always joke about it all the time. So like, I'm
Yeah, like a black dog, right? Oh.
Black dog that always throws the ball.
Yeah, right.
And
A lab, say a black lab.
And a black lad, and then just gets in the
And what name do you want to name him? What's the name?
Bullet.
You like Bullet?
Yeah.
I like that name. Maybe we'll call him Bullet.
No.
All right, what's your name? Which name do you like? Champ? What's your name?
What name you said yesterday?
I like Rebel.
Yeah, I like Rebel.
Okay.
Mom. Daddy was thinking about naming the dog Rebel. I like Rebel.
Yeah, I mean, you don't like it?
I love Rebel.
Why not Rebel? Rebel's a good one.
It's like.
Mom, do you have any opinion? I mean, do you guys, do you know like a dog name in particular? Short black lab? I like also the name Colt. That's my other name.
Yeah. Thunderball.
No, I like,
Daddy
that's
likes
too
that
long.
one, Thunderball.
It's too
That's one
long.
of our favorite
This is a black hollow bullet.
I know.
Ooh, it's a good one. I like it. I didn't hear that one.
Pierre. Why do you think Bullet? Why
Pierre?
is Pierre for the dog?
Pierre? That's so fancy. That's like
Bolt is the shell.
Poodle would be.
Colt.
Bolt.
Yeah, Bolt's already a dog. But how about Colt? I like Colt, you
How
know?
about Sylvester?
Are you trying to like come with the worst names?
That's the cat, Mom. Remember that cartoon?
Thank you. Give us
Thank you.
Acme made it.
What?
Acme.
Oh, you got some Acme. Acme store.
All right, so Jake, did you have a good birthday? Jake. Classic Jake.
What happened?
On his lap, making a mess.
Well, at least it's cookie and not like icing it like.
All right, Jake.
You sit right there, Mr.
All right, say goodbye to the camera.
He was trying to give Mame a snack.
Say goodbye.
Bye.
Daddy wants.
Whoever's on the camera.
Say whoever's watching, hope they have a great day.
Whoever's watching, have a great day. That is also my sister.
So it's Asha, I Jake.
And that's
Carly.
Grace.
Hi, Grace. All right. Hey, guys. Thanks.
Bye.
I just got you.
My secret talk. Yes. You want some?
No thanks.
Did everyone get some?
Here's my special food.
I love your special cat.